Team India captain Rohit Sharma expresses his desire to continue winning matches and trophies after leading the team to victory in the ICC T20 World Cup. Despite previous disappointments, Sharma remains hungry for success and plans to pursue more titles in the future. He credits Rahul Dravid, Jai Shah, and Ajit Agarkar for their instrumental role in India's World Cup triumph. Sharma is set to lead India in the upcoming Champions Trophy and World Test Championship. Former Australia player Matthew Hayden expects Kohli and Smith to dominate bowlers in the series as they near the end of their careers. Kohli was outstanding in the 2014-15 series, while Smith has a remarkable record against India. Hayden also expresses excitement about Yashasvi Jaiswal's performance in the series against Nathan Lyon. India's victory in the ICC T20 World Cup 2024 final marked the retirement of Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma from T20 internationals. The BCCI should treat them like any other senior Indian players to honour their contributions, preserve the integrity of domestic cricket, maintain fairness and equality, keep players match fit and mentally sharp, and prevent a potential rift between the players and the board. Sri Lanka's captain Dhananjaya De Silva scored 74 runs, helping his team recover from a precarious position to reach tea at 178-8 on day one of the first test against England. Despite struggling at 113-7, De Silva formed a crucial 8th-wicket partnership of 63 runs with debutant Milan Rathnayake before being dismissed. Sri Lanka is set to achieve a respectable first innings total after choosing to bat first on a dry, hard pitch at Old Trafford. Chris Woakes took 3 wickets for England, while Ben Stokes and Zach Crawley were absent due to injuries. Bangladesh pace bowlers put Pakistan on the back foot early on, reducing them to 16-3. However, Saeem Ayub and Saud Shakil's half-centuries saved Pakistan, taking them to 158-4 at the end of the day. Ayub and Shakil shared a 98-run partnership before Hassan Mahmood broke through. The first test is part of the ICC World Test Championship. Rawalpindi Cricket Stadium will also host the second test. Indian cricketer Yuzvendra Chahal has shared a strong message on social media in response to the rape and murder of a doctor in Kolkata. Chahal suggests that rapists should receive brutal punishment, including breaking their legs at 90 degrees, shattering their collarbones, and injuring their private parts. Other cricketers, including Jasprit Bumrah and Harbhajan Singh, have also reacted to the incident, calling for better treatment of women. Sri Lanka was floundering on 80-5 at lunch on day one of the first test against England. Despite winning the toss, Sri Lanka's batting performance has been poor, with England's seamers reducing them to 6-3 after 7 overs. Captain Dhananjaya De Silva and Dinesh Chandimal tried to rebuild the innings, but Chandimal was dismissed just before lunch. England's Chris Woakes took 2 crucial wickets, while Kushal Mendis was the other batter dismissed. England, without captain Ben Stokes, is coming off a 3-0 series win over West Indies. Former India player Piyush Chawla has responded to claims that Virat Kohli has changed and is no longer in touch with his former teammates. Chawla stated that Kohli is still the same person they met during their time together in the Indian team, including their victory in the 2011 World Cup. Chawla shared that his experience with Kohli has always been positive and that their discussions and shared interests remain unchanged. Australian cricketer Mitchell Starc expresses confidence in Australia's victory over India in the upcoming Border Gavaskar Trophy, highlighting the 5-test series as equivalent to the Ashes. He emphasizes the strong competition between the two teams, who currently hold the top 2 positions in the World Test Championship standings. Starc also expresses his preference for Test cricket and his desire to participate in all upcoming matches. The series will commence on 22nd November 2024 in Perth and conclude on 7th January 2025. England captain Joe Root expresses gratitude towards the late Graham Thorpe for his impact on his cricket career. Thorpe, who was England's batting coach, played a significant role in the development of Root's game. Root credits Thorpe for his success, particularly in subcontinent conditions. Thorpe's contributions also benefited other players including Johnny Bairstow, Jason Roy, Jos Buttler, James Vince, Sam Billings, and Ben Stokes.